In addition to Intelligent Assistant, an active Drive Connect trial or subscription provides you with cloud navigation. Tapping the tilted arrow icon can quickly access Toyota's cloud navigation from the Toyota Audio Multimedia System. The maps in Toyota's navigation system use multi-touch gestures, allowing you to create a 3D view of the area, as well as zoom in and zoom out. For the best user experience, regularly wipe down the touchscreen with a clean microfiber cloth. There are a few options to search for destinations. The first is Intelligent Assistant, which requires an active Drive Connect trial or subscription. This can be accessed with the wake-up phrase, "Hey Toyota," or by tapping the push-to-talk button on your steering wheel. Alternatively, when parked, you can search for your location using the keyboard. Tap the search icon on the map, which will launch the voice assistant. From there, tap the keyboard icon to type in your desired location. Once you've found the location you're looking for, you can save it to your favorites by tapping the heart icon. Later, if you want to revisit the location, tap on the search icon followed by Destinations. From there, tap Favorites and select your destination.
Oh, oh, oh.